Hi, I'm Chef Carl and welcome to my home. Today we're going to be making jumbo shrimp with fettuccine noodles, I cooked up 1 pound, Alfredo sauce, and quartered artichokes that I got at the store. So basically, you can use pre-cooked shrimp. You have to cook the pasta. They're already done. So we're going to get this going here. Chef Carl, Food Whisperer. We'll be right back, and thanks for watching.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, now we're back, and the first thing I'm doing, and try to make this real simple. I don't even need a knife for this thing. We got one jar of Bertolli's Alfredo sauce. We may have to add a little more later. Now turn that on, get a little heat going. Give it about 2 or 3 minutes. And in this product, you have a pretty good leeway of how much pasta. Remember, it's going to thicken up a little bit later. How many shrimp you want, how much artichokes you want. So we're just going to play it by ear. And this is an old wooden spoon that I've used for years and years and years, and I refuse to give it up. It's gotten caught on fire once, got burned another time. It's still original. There, I love it. Now I'm going to add the 1.5 cups of quartered artichokes that I bought at the store in olive oil. Starting to simmer, so that's good. And this was 1 pound of dry fettuccine, and you can usually cook it, a little salt, cook it al dente, and you got to end up with like 3 pounds, but I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm showing you can use this for clam sauce and with fettuccine, red clam sauce, and whatever you want. Put in a salad, put in soup. So we're just going to kind of Now the thing is, never break up your pasta. Authentic pasta, I used to break it up, and someone says, real Italian, you don't break the pasta. And once this comes to, I can feel the heat, we're going to add some of the cooked shrimp. And some of the shrimp I got pre-cooked in the bag, and 16 to 20 count, and others I got 16 to 20 count peeled. I peeled and deveined them and added it to them. Either way, they're delicious. All right. I think that's enough for now. You want to make sure that you get it mixed up real good, but you don't want to overcook it because the shrimp are already cooked, the pasta's already cooked, the artichokes are already cooked, and the sauce is already pre-made for you. What's easier than that? And we're going to top it with a little grated Parmesan Romano cheese from Kraft. And yes, I'm looking for a sponsor, so anybody wants to sponsor me, I'm here. Check me out on Chef Carl Food Whisperer YouTube. Subscribe, ring the bell, and if you go to About Me, you'll find an email address. And yes, I lick my fingers, but that's what us chefs do. What do you think, Ward? Starting to look pretty good?
It's looking pretty tasty.
Well, I have to give credit to Ward. He gave me the idea of doing the jumbo shrimp, fettuccine, Alfredo, and then he said add vegetable. I added artichokes, but you can add any kind of vegetables you want. So thank you, Ward. So I'm going to shut the heat off. Come over here. And I'll just put a little bit, shake the Parmesan. And as they say in the Looney Tunes, that's all, folks. We're going to eat it and enjoy it. So, Chef Carl Food Whisperer, YouTube, subscribe. We love you. See you next time.